Hey everyone, it's Alex from Be Organizing. I wanted to show you how I organize my paper files. Now, I don't have a lot of paper files, so because I'm mostly paperless, but I thought it'd be fun to show you how I organize and kind of go over some things that I've done to pass along to you. So here we go. So here's what I use to store my paper files. I just use these little desktop full file holders from the Container Store. They're super simple and I didn't need a lot of space, so this was the best that I could find, and I really like the way it looks. So here's my immediate documents that I go into more frequently. I have things for my taxes, I have my banking, and you can see here I've labeled everything, but I didn't use a label maker because it's okay to not be perfect, and I'm okay with that. And as long as it works for you, it's all good. So mine is all alphabetical except for up front. This is my most, I'm always putting things in here throughout the year. So this is why it's up front. And then the rest of this stuff it's all alphabetical. And then I have some extra file folders back here. Make sure you always name it what you call it and keep it simple. You don't need to get complicated. Just very simple. And I have these orange file folders. I would have loved to buy more and I never did. I just really like the way they looked, but green is fine. So that's why it just transitions into green. So that's my one. So this is like my immediate files. And then this one is like archivals. So I have really old stuff in here. Even I have a couple orange files in here that were in this one, but they moved. These are like record keeping way back when. So I have my taxes, my previous taxes going back 7 years, and just some records that I needed to keep in case for taxes as well. Insurance, every once in a while I have to switch those out, but it's not very often. So it's just kind of record keeping for a long time. So again, keep it simple, label, name it what you call it, and every once in a while, purge. And again, these are from the Container Store. They're really great, easy, not too much room. I got 2 different looks because I needed an extra one and they didn't have that. The one on the left they don't have anymore, so now they have the ones on the right. So I hope that helps, and I will see you next time.